Imagine a disaster movie, caused by syrup. In 1919, Boston had a giant tank filled with 2.3 million gallons of sticky molasses. The company swore it was safe. The tank disagreed. People heard groaning metal. Then, boom, a wave of hot molasses exploded into the streets at the speed of a horse sprint. Horses, carts, and unlucky pedestrians were suddenly in a desert-themed nightmare. Firefighters rushed in and immediately got glued to the pavement like flies on caramel. After days of scraping and scrubbing, the city finally won. The moral? Never underestimate the power of sugar. It literally flooded a city.